In this video, I'm going to discuss about functions in C program. What is a function? A function is in C is a set of statements that when called perform some specific task. It is the basic building block of a C program that provides modularity and code reusability. Predefined functions. In C program, there are several predefined functions that are available for use without requiring any explicit function declaration. These functions are provided as a part of C standard library and can be directly used in a program by including these respective files. For example, main is a function which is used to execute code, and printf is a function used to output or print text to the screen. Here we can see an example of functions. The main is a function. Inside the main function, there is a function for printing the sentence hello world. So this is the concept of predefined functions. Next is syntax of functions in C. The syntax of function can be divided into three aspects. One, function declaration, function definition, and function calls. First part is function declaration. In a function declaration, we must provide the function name, its return type, and the number and the type of its parameter. A function declaration tells the compiler that there is a function with the given name defined somewhere else in the program. So here we can see the syntax, return type, and name of the function, parameter. Inside the bracket, there is parameter 1 and parameter 2. The parameter name is not mandatory while declaring functions. We can also declare a function without using the name of data variables. For example, here we can see int is the return type, sum is the name of function, and inside the bracket there is a parameter 1 and parameter 2. Or we can also declare a function like this. The int is a return type, name of the function is sum. Inside the bracket, there is a type, only the type of parameter, not the name is not mandatory while declaring the functions. Okay. So we have to specify the return type. There is a function. Inside the bracket, there is a parameter type and parameter name. And also the statement is terminated with the semicolon. A function in C must always be declared globally before calling it. Okay. The next part of functions in C programming is function definition. The function definition consists of actual statements which are executed when the function is called. A C function is generally defined and declared in a single step because the function definition always starts with this function declaration. So we do not need to declare it explicitly. So here we have the return type, function name, parameter 1 type and parameter 1 name, parameter 2 type and parameter 2 name. The function, the code is inside the function. Okay. The last part is function call. A function call is a statement that instructs the compiler to execute the function. We use the function name and parameter in the function call. Function call is necessary to bring the program control to the function definition. If not called, the function statement will not be executed. Okay. So this is the concept of three aspects of function in C program. Here we have the C program, which demonstrates the concept of function call and function definition. In this program, a function named sum is defined, which takes two parameters a and b of type int and returns an integer value. Inside the sum function, the values of parameters a and b are added using the plus operator, and the result is returned using the return statement. In the main function, the sum function is called with the argument 10 and 30 passed as input. The return value from the sum function is stored in an integer variable add. The program then prints the value of add using the printf function. So the output will be the sum of A and B, that is 40. Here we can see the sum function is called with the argument 10 and 30, and it returns the sum of those two values, which is 40. The return value is then printed in the main function. Okay. So this is the concept of functions in C program. Thank you.